Hey there, Pookies, and welcome to our Amicati's channel. And guess what? Right. I've learned 5 cool things about coding early on that actually made a huge impact on my journey, right? You bet. Newbies like you have probably come across these myths too. Today, let's dive deep into 5 overused programming myths that really slow us down, waste time, and need to go away. But before that, let's get started. Myth number 1. You really need to know every language to be a great programmer. In reality, actually, learning a few essential languages and concepts is much more valuable than being a language expert who knows everything poorly. Focus on depth, not just breadth. Master problem solving and algorithms. These skills can be applied across languages. Myth number -2. You must memorize everything. In reality, you don't need to memorize everything. Use tools like Google, Stack Overflow, not just having a list of words. Myth number -3. You need a CS degree to get a programming job. In reality, a C's degrees don't necessarily guarantee a programming job. Focus on your ability to build and solve problems, not just having a fancy diploma. Show off your skills and a strong portfolio and documentation like never before. What really matters is understanding how and why things work. Myth number 4. You should always use the best or latest tech stack. In reality, chasing new technologies without a plan usually just costs you time and money. Focus on what works best for solving problems efficiently with the tools you know well. And don't jump on every new framework just because it's trendy. Myth number 5. You must write perfect code. In reality, writing flawless code doesn't exist. It's about looking for clean, clear, and working code. Actually, even writing bad code is part of the learning process. Iterate, refactor, and improve your skills over time. Don't try to write perfect code from the start, as it can hold you back. So, there you have it. See you in the next video.